Cryptocurrency is a completely digital means of storing and transferring value. However, it has one key aspect in common with regular fiat currency. You must store your chosen cryptocurrency in a wallet, just like cash. Which one of the several options available is the best? Don't worry, Upstep Financial is here to help. And we have sound advice you can rely on. Please subscribe to the channel and enable notifications to be notified of every upload. Let's get started with our video now. The term wallet in the cryptocurrency ecosystem refers to software that allows cryptocurrency owners to access their cryptocurrency holdings. Whether online or offline, wallets exist in a variety of flavors, including online or hot wallets, software wallets, and hardware wallets, which are dedicated thumb drive-like devices with the maximum level of protection. However, in today's video, we'll focus on the greatest software wallets available. Please leave a comment below if you'd like us to review the finest hardware wallets. Wallets can be difficult to understand. If you trade cryptocurrencies on a crypto exchange, you'll have a wallet for the cryptocurrency you're trading on the exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange wallet, on the other hand, is not the same as dedicated cryptocurrency wallet software. Keep watching if you're not sure where to begin with software wallets. This video will go over the top 9 best software wallets on the market. The Exodus is the best option for multi-crypto investors who want to diversify their holdings. Exodus is one of the best online Bitcoin wallets since it provides customers with real-time cryptocurrency price charts. Users can follow market fluctuations even on their mobile devices using live or real-time charts, and so make decisions to sell or buy to add to their portfolio before it's too late. It accepts around 100 different cryptocurrencies. The Exodus is also compatible with desktop, mobile, and crypto hardware wallets such as Exodus and Trezor. It is compatible with both iOS and Android mobile devices. It also enables users to buy and sell all supported cryptocurrencies directly from the app, eliminating the need to withdraw funds or use a centralized exchange. This is both a software and an HD wallet. It is not open source, making the code difficult to check, and it does not charge bespoke fees for Ethereum and other altcoins. However, it is compatible with hardware wallets and supports incorporated exchange. Most importantly, it's completely free. If you're a crypto trader or investor with a lot of experience, Electrum might be the ideal solution for you. This best Bitcoin wallet, unlike many other software wallets, creates a local backup of the key of your device. As a result, your private key never leaves your device, making it more secure. This is in addition to the wallet being password protected and encrypted. If a computer crashes or you lose the system due to a calamity, the user receives a 12 to 24 keyword recovery phrase that can be used to store the wallet and the coins stored in it. This software wallet can sync or integrate with software wallets like Trezor and Ledger Nano. It also supports SegWit transactions, making Bitcoin trading on exchanges that support SegWit addresses more affordable. Electrum runs on Windows, Mac OS X, Python, and Android smartphones, and you can even sign transactions offline. Although it does not offer crypto buying and selling as other wallets do, and it does not support an integrated exchange, it does support a hardware wallet, and it is free. WasabiWallet is the best option for users that value transparency. Wasabi hides the identity of receives and sends transactions via an integrated coin-join transaction mixing type. It also incorporates the Tor network for even more privacy in transactions. The wallet keeps track of all the individual's UTXOs, or unspent transaction outputs, making the transaction history more transparent. To spend a UTXO, the user must manually click on it or select a coin. This approach inhibits the common practice of combining non-private and private coins in a single transaction, which might compromise privacy in automatic coin selection algorithms. Coldcard, Trezor, and Ledger devices are all compatible. It does not support mobile devices and is only available for desktop computers running Windows 10, Mac OS, Ubuntu, or Linux. It does not have a crypto exchange and is still very new. It also requires a minimum of 0.1 Bitcoin. It is compatible with hardware wallets and is free, even though it does not support incorporated exchange. we suggest Cobo dApp users, developers, gamers, holders, and stakers. Cobo is a cloud-based software HD wallet that allows users to save their crypto private keys on their phones, import seeds from other wallets, authenticate transactions with QR codes, and encrypt wallets with passwords and two-factor authentication. It allows users to access decentralized applications, stakes their crypto to earn more, as well as store, transfer, and receive data. It is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Unlike others, it allows users to quickly stake and earn from their wallets by staking the crypto that has been saved. For the vault, it uses an EAL5+ secure element chip that supports more than chains and more than 700 tokens. The sole disadvantage is that there is no integrated in-wallet crypto trading exchange. It's a mobile software wallet that doesn't offer included exchange, but works with hardware wallets. Also, Cobo is, as you may have guessed, completely free. Isn't this discussion getting better? So go ahead and keep on watching. You can count on us. If you have any clarifications or video suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below and hit that thumbs up button. Let's move forward with our discussion. If you're a merchant or own a retail establishment, BitPay is the perfect option for you. BitPay is popular among merchants who want to accept cryptocurrency payments while also keeping track of their cryptocurrency worth. Merchants may use it to expand globally while avoiding chargebacks and identity theft. The wallet integrates with prepaid MasterCard debit cards to make cryptocurrency to fiat conversions easier. From the wallet, the crypto card allows you to spend crypto at any retailer or ATM worldwide. To put it another way, the coin and the app work together to make it simple for consumers to spend crypto. Anyone can load money onto the card from their wallet and use it at stores and ATMs that accept or allow MasterCard withdrawals. BitPay accepts all ERC20 tokens as well as 9 crypto and stablecoins. It protects cryptography by using multi-signature addresses. It also offers a payment and transfer option that includes quick emails and pushes notifications. You may also shop for gift cards on BitPay's marketplace. The app is compatible with Android, iOS, Windows 10, and Linux. An instrument of this caliber is not cheap. It has a built-in exchange and is compatible with hardware wallets, like the Nano Ledger and Trezor. Let's look at the Atomic Wallet. This is the best option for holders and the staking community. Users can own and store private keys on their local devices while managing their crypto assets on the blockchain using our non-custodial decentralized wallet. The company has even released an Atomic Wallet token, which was released 2 years ago. It's utilized for things like affiliate airdrops, cashbacks, bounty schemes, and wallet staking. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, XLM, and over 300 more currencies and tokens are supported. Atomic Wallet is a cross-platform wallet that supports Windows, macOS, Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Android, and iOS. It also comes with a backup phrase that may be used for easy recovery. The sole drawback is that it does not support offline storage hardware wallets. It is compatible with incorporated exchange, but not hardware wallet. The best thing? Well, it is free. Bitcoin Wallet is the greatest for our crypto trading buddies. People who want to maintain both Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash should use the Bitcoin Cash wallet. It provides users with the tools they need to spend their cryptocurrency however they wish, such as outlets, merchant businesses, or ATMs specified in the app. Users can trade in-app and even convert these assets into integrated stable currencies to protect themselves against volatility swings. They can then revert their assets to their original state anytime they need to trade. Fingerprint unlock is available in Bitcoin Wallet. It also features 2 wallets, one for saving and one for spending. The wallet is backed up to restore it quickly and easily. The only drawback is that hardware wallets are not supported. However, it does support incorporated exchange. If you exclusively use Bitcoin, you might enjoy the Bitcoin Core. Bitcoin Core is the wallet that exclusively accepts Bitcoin and no other coins. On the network, users can also send and receive Bitcoins. It functions as a Bitcoin full node. Users can also keep track of their transactions and their details, preserve address books, and export their wallets. This is compatible with Windows, ARM Linux, and macOS. Users can choose to trim the blockchain file to handle only 6 GB rather than downloading the 400 GB file. It runs a node that assists in the maintenance of the Bitcoin network as well as mining BTC. It's also simple to back up and restores your wallet. The disadvantage is that no other cryptocurrency can be stored and there is no internal exchange. Only one address may be linked to the app, and the process of syncing the app takes days. The green address is the best option for multi-signature group users. The green address is the best option for multi-signature group users. The green address is a Bitcoin wallet that uses two-factor authentication and multi-signature technologies to keep users' Bitcoin safe. On the user's device, the private keys are also saved locally. Another security feature is the ability to connect to their wallet in watch-only mode, which prevents any local or cloud-stored keys from being loaded. Users can safely monitor their transactions and balances, even when using public Wi-Fi or the internet as a result of this. Overall, hardware wallets that support offline transaction signing are the most secure and finest crypto wallets. They are, however, pricey. Mobile Bitcoin wallets are among the finest Bitcoin wallets because they enable users to store, send, and manage digital currencies while on the go. Which of these are you going to give a shot? That's all we've got for now. If you liked what you just watched, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you will not miss any of our videos. Thank you for watching this video. This is the next financial step, and we hope to see you again soon.